I'm going to show you how to take a broad look at your website when you have something like an anomaly in your SEO. Now, an example of this you can see on the screen right now. Pia Margot, basically, Paula managed to get on TV, and you can see that we have this massive anomaly of 1,000 clicks in one day when the previous highest was probably 40, right? So what I want to do is it's not just for anomalies, it's how to actually track whether your business is growing without any of the bullshit, okay? And it's using something called regex. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go on ChatGPT and we're just going to say, write me a custom regex to remove any queries from Search Console that contain Pia Margot or Pia Margot, okay? Now the reason we need to use custom regex, if you're curious, is yes, I could go to query not containing, and then write Pia Margot, right? But then it's kind of hard to see just from this because people also search Pia Margot without a space, right? So if we just get rid of this and we grab this, okay, and we'll do add filter, query, custom regex, does not match regex, and then apply, you'll see that only Pia Margot Boutique, one word, is left here. So I'm also just going to add Pia Margot Boutique really quick. Okay, and then we're going to copy this, and we'll do add filter again, query, custom regex, does not match, apply. Okay, beautiful. So the only one here now is Pia Margot Boutique, but that's fine. Like, this is a much better solution to the problem, right? Because now we've removed the brand searches and we're just keeping what we care about, which is things like best jeans 2024, best cocktail dresses 2024, Pia Margot Boutique, but whatever, Spanish dresses, Spanish dress, best jeans, romantic blouse, etc., right? So this is the actual growth of the website instead of what we had before, which was a completely pointless view of the website, which is this, right? I can't do anything with this. It's really, really hard for me to analyze the performance of Pia Margot now because of this, basically where Paula appeared on TV or the business appeared on TV. So if we just go back to this and we do custom regex, doesn't match, and then paste, we can now get to see the actual line and the actual growth of the website. So then what we can do is we can sort by impressions and we can start to see which articles or which keywords are actually driving growth to the business, right? And again, we can go on pages and we can sort by impressions on pages and we get a really, really good look at what's actually driving traffic or driving, in this case, impressions to the website. So we have a blog post here created by Harbor. If you don't know what Harbor is my content generator and keyword tool. We are currently using it to power our agency, and you can also get it with a huge discount on the yearly extra 33 at checkout. That will give you a massive discount on yearly plans. But you can see here, this is all Harbor content. The way that you can tell are these nice little, we call them data visualizations basically. And we have this very simply written article that's getting 4,000 impressions in the last 3 months. So, and then we have collections, which I created using my Shopify collection automator. And then you can see again, we have another article written by Harbor and another article written again by Harbor. So you can start to see how we are growing this website purely through AI and purely through content-driven content or content-driven pages, okay? You can't actually see a single one, you can't see a single product here. None of these are product pages. They're all either blogs or, wow, that is such a nice blog. I love Harbor, honestly. Just looks really, really good. I really, really like Harbor. I know, obviously, blowing my own trumpet and all that, but I do really, really think Harbor makes amazing content. So we have another collection. We have our first product here. So we're not growing through products. We're growing through collections and we're growing through blog posts. We have another blog here. Again, Same thing, Harbor, beautiful article, bang, 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 look at that. And then we have the infographic at the bottom with a key factor as well. So yeah, and we have another blog here. So you can see how Harbor can easily help you rank on Google from very, very little base. All we did was create a load of collections. Obviously, the products were automatically uploaded using software, and then we just create and we just keep creating blogs, okay? It's a very, very simple process. People think that this is actually difficult. People might also think, oh, why do you always use fashion as an example? We are pretty good with fashion, but we also, we hit all the marks. We can do any website. And all of these keywords as well, by the way, if you're curious, all of the keywords are also directly from Harbor. So this article here, which seems to have just exploded and then died, which is quite interesting, was actually, the keyword was created by Harbor and the content was created by Harbor. So if you don't know, Harbor actually has a research tab right here. A lot of people might not know this. If we do HTTPS and then pierremargot.com/sitemap.xml here, this no longer takes, the amount of time that it used to take. It's actually very, very quick now. And then one of the other things we did was we translated everything into Spanish. So for example, we can see, I don't even know what this means, faldas, whatever, para mujer, blah, blah, blah. I don't actually know what that means, but you can see that the translation is also here as well. There's another collection, a Spanish collection, another Spanish collection, and you can see just how quickly these start to rank on Google. You might have seen the video where I actually made these. This is getting 33 impressions a day almost immediately using AI translation, which is really, really interesting and really, really good to see. Now, let's just have a little look at what else is ranking here. So we have spring, summer. We have another blog post, and then we'll go next. We have now a German blog post, which again was created using the translation tool that I showed you in a previous video. And then we have a lot of collections, a lot of products, Spanish, no, that's not Spanish. It just looks like Spanish. And then there's another blog here written by Harbor, again, June the 4th. Look at that, another beautiful blog. Really, really nice. Very simple blogs. People think that this is more complicated than it needs to be. You literally just need the products or services, and then you start to build topical authority around that. So this is now done. As you see, that was very, very quick. How to style midi dresses, 10 best linen dresses for a sustainable summer wardrobe, sustainable fashion, from farm to fashion, the journey of our sustainable denim. Must have tailored trousers. This is a really good keyword. I'll tell you right now, this is a really, really nice keyword. So you can just literally click on center writer here, and then let's do a listicle because it makes sense because it's 5 must have, and then literally press generate content, put that on your website, and you will start to rank exactly as I've shown you in this video. Thanks so much for watching, guys. If you're watching all the way to the end, you're an absolute legend, and I'll see you very, very soon with some more content. Peace out. Watch this video if you want to see the power of the new ChatGPT Canvas feature. I've got 10 useful and very, very powerful use cases for you right here.